Planning your next trip to Singapore? We've got you covered. Here's everything you need to know about getting a visa to Singapore from India. Hello, travelers. Welcome back to Jetto Vacations. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can get your visa smoothly and without any hassle. So, let's get started with the basics. For Indians, Singapore offers a simple and easy visa application process. Let's go over the types of visas available and the steps involved. Step 1. Determine the type of visa you need. There are two main types of visas that Indians can apply for. Tourist visa, for those visiting Singapore for leisure, sightseeing, or visiting friends and family. Business visa, for those traveling to Singapore for business meetings, conferences, or work-related purposes. In this video, we will cover tourist visa, which is typically valid for 30 days. Step 2. Gather the required documents. Before you apply, make sure you have these documents ready. Here's the list of documents required for a Singapore visa from India. Valid passport. It should be valid for at least 6 months beyond the last date of your intended stay. Completed visa application form, Form 14A. You can download this from the official Singapore government website. You can check out the link in the description. Passport-sized photos, 2 passport-sized photographs, confirmed return flight tickets to prove you're coming back to India, hotel booking and accommodation proof, confirmation of where you'll stay in Singapore, proof of income. Proof of income will vary on the occupation of the traveler. For salaried employees, joining letter, salary slip, an identification document like an office identification card. For business person, government registration certificate like GST certificate and income tax return for the last 2 years. For non-working professionals, income details of your sponsor like father or husband and proof of relationship with the sponsor. For students, you also need to show your student ID card. Bank statements, proof of sufficient funds for your trip. Usually the bank statement of last 3 to 6 months. Cover letter, mentioning the purpose of your visit and travel itinerary. Any other supporting documents, like an invitation letter from a Singapore resident, if applicable. Step 3. Applying for the visa. Once you have all your documents ready, it's time to apply for the visa. The Singapore government does not allow direct applications from individuals. You must go through an authorized travel agent. The agent will submit your visa application online to the Singapore authorities. For applying for a Singapore visa, you need to send a physical copy of passport and relevant documents of all passengers to the nearest Singapore consulate embassy. Consulates are located at New Delhi, Mumbai, and Chennai. Generally, your visa agent will take care of such arrangements. If customers from multiple locations are traveling together, they need to send their passports at their respective consulates. Step 4. Visa fees and processing time. The visa fee for a Singapore tourist visa from India is approximately 2,500 rupees to 3,000 rupees, depending on the rate of exchange and service fees of the agent involved. Typically, it takes 3 to 5 working days to process the visa. However, it's always a good idea to apply a couple of weeks in advance, especially during peak season or festival time, just in case. Once your visa is approved, you will receive an e-visa via email. Simply download it and take a printout with you. The visa will allow you to enter Singapore for a short stay, typically up to 30 days. Step 5. Receiving the e-visa. That's it. Once you have your visa, you're all set to explore Singapore's world-class attractions, vibrant neighborhoods, and incredible food. That's the complete process of how to apply for a Singapore visa from India. It's simple, fast, and straightforward. For any questions related to Singapore visa, do comment on the link below and we will be happy to help.